Hello. I've got just an unboxing for you today because I can't exactly review this because it takes 12 to 24 hours to use. So the review link will be below in the description once the review is up. But this is the Asobu, I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's A-S-O-B-U cold brew, portable cold brew coffee maker with a vacuum insulated 40-ounce stainless steel 18.8 Carafe, BPA free, black. There are other colors, of course, but I got the black one. And that was the Amazon listing for this. And it's $39.99 on Amazon, prime shipping. Again, it is a coffee maker. I love my coffee. Every morning I have to have my coffee. And sometimes I do drink cold coffee. I've gotten away from it, but, you know, I'll get back to it again. Obviously, when I try this out. But on the back here we have some specs, features, whatever you want to call it, a diagram of it, of the coffee maker, coffee pot. As you can see, it's pretty big. It's kind of hard to get apart there. AsobuDrinkware.com, innovative brewing method combining coarse coffee grounds, cold water, and a long steeping time. The resulting coffee is sweeter and smoother tasting. Say goodbye to coffee bitterness. With this in mind, we created the most portable and lightweight cold coffee brewer for people on the go. You can carry the vacuum insulated carafe in your car to the office or even to the park while you walk your dog and enjoy a delicious cup of full-bodied, slow-brewed coffee. Now the idea here again, is 24-hour brewing for cold coffee, 12 hours for hot. So, you know, it's not quick brewing, obviously, but, you know, you could set it overnight or something like that, which, you know, is fine for me. Now getting this open, it's kind of hard here. It is a tube. This did just arrive, and all I did was pop this top here. It's still sealed on the inside. I can get it. There it goes. Alright, there it is there. Nothing else in there. Use a cardboard base, it looks like, on the bottom. But there it is here. Wrapped in plastic for protection, of course. Let's find the tape. In the end, somewhere. Oh, there we go. There's a little attention sticker there. Unscrew top lid to locate stainless steel lid. Okay. There it is there. It's fairly heavy. Not what I would call horrible. I mean, it's really big. But I'm guessing this is the actual carafe thermos, what you would take your coffee in. So that's the portable part, I would think. But there we have our cone filter. Bottom there, responsibly made in China, BPA free, 18.8 stainless steel, copper, vacuum insulated, patent pending. What's this here? Air release opening. Yeah, okay. I see, and it locks into place like that. Now, I don't see any instructions. I'm hoping they're down inside. So let's do this. Okay. There's that. Okay, due to transportation, please make sure the ball stays in the correct position by pressing slightly on it. Remove sticker before use. Rinse the connector under running water while pressing the button. Okay. So apparently it's there. But this is like a silicone gasket we have going there. Open that up. I don't see any instructions anywhere. Huh. Guess I missed them. But there's a little ball. I guess that's what they're talking about, and that's the button that pushes the ball up, which lets the coffee down into this carafe. And obviously, it's going to need washed and cleaned. Supposedly, this holds 40 ounces. I mean, it's a lot of coffee you're going to take with you. And apparently, the lid, from what I recall, is down inside here. Yep. Oh, there's the instructions, too. And here's the lid for that when you take it with you to go. There's the instructions. Here is the filter. Very fine mesh conical style filter. Obviously it is you know, permanent, you know, reusable, you know, you never have to replace it. But if it's, you know, like so, there's a silicone gasket there. Here is the lid, stainless steel lid with a rubber gasket as well. That would fit on like so. That way you take your coffee with you. Now instructions here. let's go through this real quick. Obviously, you know, as I said, I can't exactly, you know, review this right this second. Assembly instructions, remove the infuser. Brewing instructions, here we go. Place the fully assembled cold brew coffee maker on a flat surface, blah, blah, blah. Open the lid, clear. Slowly pour 1 cup of cold filtered water over the coffee grounds in a slow circular way to wet the coffee grounds. Repeat coffee and water additions twice more until the coffee inside the filter is well saturated and brewing carafe is filled with water. Close the lid of brewing carafe tightly. Shake the brewing carafe lightly to settle coffee grounds inside the filter. Close the air hole by sliding the tab to the lid. Steep coffee 12 to 24 hours at room temperature. Keep cold brew in stable upright position at all times. Okay. Serving instructions. You can add ice cubes into the carafe. Push button valve lets you transfer the entire brewing into entire brewing carafe or a single cup, which is kind of neat, I see. So when it's in there, you can put a cup and push it and it'll fill up your cup, or you can just put it and it'll fill up the whole carafe for you. I'm really curious to try this out here. Cold brew coffee can be served with milk, plant-based dairy alternatives. Cleaning instructions, of course. Seems fairly basic to do. But let me test it out. This is the Asobu Cold Brew coffee maker. Something nice. It's very, very, very well made. But we all like coffee. So let me test it out and I'll let you know how it is. Thank you.